Good night, everyone. My name is Christian Andre Retegui. I am in the 30th accounting cycle. This time, I talk about my English report for my accounting degree. I chose session number 12 of Unity 3rd, titled Financing Plan for an Investment Project. My goal with this report is to share the knowledge acquired during the class and what the professor explained. I analyze its concept, elements, importance, and more. This session is important because today many people want to make money and create their own businesses. BBA 2024 tells us financially instability and difficulties in accessing a job can lead a person to launch their own company. P number 1. Any reason is good to start up businesses. A large part of existing businessmen and companies do not know about financing plans. Before this, Molina 2023 comments that most entrepreneurs who do not have financial planning are due to ignorance. They believe it is very complex, but there is no company that does not require good administration, because otherwise failure will be practically a fact. Studying this issue made my financial knowledge increase. He also made me realize that each accountant needs to know about financial plans to help future companies where they would work in the future. Then I will explain the subject better. First of all, we must know that it is a financing plan. According to Engine Capital 2022, basically, a financing plan is a document that describes the methodology to obtain the money that a company needs. It is the result of financial analysis and market research. Page 1. It is important to know the meaning of each word because it helps us to better understand the subject. The main elements of a financing plan that we saw during the class are cost of sales or cost of goods, income flows, operating expenses, gross margin, total money. For Sendex 2023, the cost of sale is all expenses associated with the production, distribution, and dissemination of a product or service. That is, all the money spent in the operations of a company. Page 1. On the other hand, income flow is the way in which a business or company designs the strategy to monetize its value proposition and thus survive in the market and be profitable. Rodriguez, 2023, page 1. Finally, Dobaño, 2025, says the gross margin is a fundamental financial indicator that offers a deep vision of the profitability and efficiency of a company. In fact, in many cases, it is the variable on which many of the decisions in the field of financial and treasury policy within companies are private. Page 1. In addition to talking a lot about the problems of investment projects and the financing plan, we also solved some mathematical exercises and saw mathematical formulas such as the following. These formulas, together with others that we saw in past classes, help us better understand the central point of the subject. That's all. Thanks for your time.